The next enumerated data type. Enumerated data type is another user defined data type. So here we'll discuss how to make use of enumerated data type and what are the other details related to this in C++. So enumerated data type basically it is used to attach names to numbers. Names to numbers. So you have numbers ranging from 0 to infinity. So by enumerated data type, for each number we can assign some name. Okay, and also the use of enumerated data type. It is makes us to understand the program easily. So by looking at this, instead of seeing only the numbers, if you see in terms of the words, it will be very easy for us to understand the program. The program, if let us say the switch on and off, instead of saying switch is equal to 0 and switch is equal to 1, switch is equal to 0, we can say off and on. So while writing the program, if I use switch is equal to off, it makes a sense. So it can be easily, it can help us to understand the program as well. And not only that, even we can assign the values from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Okay, and also we can override these values. Also we can override these values. It's not necessary that always we have to start from 0 and next one should be 1. It can be of any order. So as a user we have a privilege of changing these values. We can override it. Then how to use it? Okay, so the usage of this enumerated data type is enum is a keyword. Enum is a keyword followed by the name. So this name will serve as a data type. Okay, so data type name like that we can say. So this is a user identifier. It is an user identifier. So this name is going to serve as a user identifier, followed by which we are going to write within braces the list of values separated by commas. Okay, for example, you are having the days of a week as a value. So then we can write Sunday, comma, Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Thursday, comma, Friday, comma, and Saturday. So like that you can write. Or if you want to write the places, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Gurgaon, so and it can be specified here. So all that you have to do is just be separated by commas. And how to make use of it? It is as simple as using any other data type. So let's say if it's going to be an integer data type, how we will write integer followed by a variable name. The same way here, the enumerated data type name and a variable to make use of it. Variable can hold any values of enumerated data type. Enumerated data type. Okay. And how to write it in enum in C++. How to write enum in C++. As we have discussed, it provides an alternative means for creating symbolic constants. Throughout the program, if you have some name, that name always will carry a specific value. Let's say 5 is for Friday. Then throughout the context, wherever I use Friday, the Friday will serve as a variable which will kind of an identifier which will always constantly hold the value 5. Okay, so that's how it basically it's going to be done. And also you can create anonymous enums also. So that means without the names we can without specifying the data types we can specify the enum. And whenever we define an enum within a class or a structure or inside a class, wherever you want, if it is specified within a block, it's absolutely going to be a local one. Local means it's going to be seen only by particular block. Okay. Now a simple program I've written here. That program is basically to find the color of the dress for a day. Okay, so throughout a week we have 5 working days, and if you need kind of a program for what day I want to what dress, if you have programmed it like that, then we can easily find it out by specifying the day. We can find out the color of the dress that we are supposed to wear. Okay, just an example. Let's see that. So here, as you see on the screen, it is a program to find the color of the dress for a day. So in the line number 2, we have written a header file. In line number 3, we have specified the ANSYS C++ construct, and it is simple main program only. It is written, and we are not complicated as with the class and objects. Okay, so main, and this main is started here, and in the line number 6, you can see that what is that? An enum keyword is used here. So enum means it's going to be user defined. I declare data type called a week. Okay, it's a user defined. So I have written here a week as a data type. Then what are the values of a day, comma Tuesday, comma Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday? Okay. Now I declare one variable here called int day. Int day. Okay. So now here, how to make use of it? So I've written a statement here. See out, enter the day. See out, enter the day. On the screen, then the user is going to enter a number. User is going to enter a number from 0 to or any other value. So as the user enters the number, so we have used the switch case statement here. So the switch case is based on the day. So if the day is going to be 0, then case will be a Monday. Then Monday will say that wear black color. Okay. And similarly, if it is 1, it's going to be a case is going to be a Tuesday, and a program will result that it's a Tuesday, you wear a white color. Similarly, you can see that. And default, these are all working days. So in default statement, we have written here, see out, it's not a working day where fluorescent color. Where fluorescent color. We are going to specify that have a nice day. So like this, we can specify the requirement by using the enum data type. Got it? Okay, now let us run this program and check it out how it's going to give an output. Okay, so now here, as we run the program, we are going to, it will ask us to enter the day. As we enter the day, so it is here. So I'm going to enter at 1. So 1 means supposed to be a Tuesday. Sorry, 1 is Tuesday, correct. 1 is Tuesday. So for Tuesday, it says that it's a Tuesday where white color. Have a nice day. Understand? So similarly, if you want to change, you can do it. And also we have seen that we can change the value. So for example, if I put the Monday is equal to 5, I can override. So if I put 5, then Tuesday will become 6, Wednesday will become 7. Things goes on like that. Okay. So let us see that also. So just I save the program and I compile and run again. So as I compile and run the program, it asks me to enter the day, isn't it? So if I enter 0 now, what will be the result? It will say it's not a working day where fluorescent color, because we are starting our value from 5. Okay. So then what do you do? So again we run the program. So but now we are cautiously what we'll do, we will give the values between 5 and 10. Okay. So let me say now I'm entering 7. 7 means supposed to be a Wednesday. Let's see what the result is going to give. So it says that day where green color. Have a nice day. Understand? So like this, by using enum data type, enum construct, we can specify any kind of values in the form of name in the C++ program. Okay. So and also now, why, as I told you, the enum is basically used to represent the constants. So in 2 ways we can represent the constant. One is using the qualifier. The qualifier is called a variable will be there. We are qualifying the variable to be a constant. So the constant value will not be varying during the course of execution. Okay. And another way is defining a set of integer constant using enum keywords. That's another way of specifying the constant values. You can see that how it is used here. So when you are specifying the qualifier, we use the word const. We use a word const, okay, and that is qualifier. And here character name size, constant size is equal to 10. So the default value of the constant is generally it's going to be 0. So whatever the value that you assign, that is going to be there throughout the execution of the program, because the qualifier will not allow the program to change the value of the constant during the execution. Okay, thank you.